guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. So this is week 3, episode 2 of Dee Dee's Don't Freak Out Before Christmas challenge. It is 3 items in 15 minutes. Dee Dee is prepping for Christmas. I am not. I am cheating most weeks, most episodes, almost always. Excuse me. So Dee Dee actually created her coin envelope slash pockets for this challenge. I am using already made bags and such because it's just quicker that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and punch a thumb hole in this bag. So please go watch Dee Dee's because she you know, she's not cheating, and it was her idea to begin with. Actually, let me grab this. We'll do it this way. Yeah, so I don't know. I felt like it was going to take way too long to create all of these bags and pockets and such. So yeah, I just decided to cheat, and I'm also gonna cheat. Well, yeah, I am. I'm gonna use this paper so that I can sort of ink these edges without making a huge mess on the rest of my bag. So I hope you're all doing well today. It is Wednesday in your world. It's still Sunday here. Sunday? Yeah, it's Sunday. So basically this episode is a really cool layered sort of pocket situation. And I'll kind of show you a little bit. It'll make a lot more sense once I start putting it together, but right now I just want to get everything inked. And I'm using sort of a variety of bags, and some of them are paper and some of them are like glassine bags, and you know, this one is sort of a coated bag. Oh, well, yeah, okay, so let's cut this down. I'm not gonna completely cut it off, but I wasn't really thinking. Okay, that'll work now. All right. And then, so it's gonna layer up like this and kind of go at an angle. So you'll have this pocket here. We'll glue this on just 2 sides, so you'll have a tuck, and then you'll have the bag, and then I'm going to use this just little envelope that I have. I think I got these on like Wish or something, but I'm not going to use it as an envelope. What I'm going to do is I am going to glue it shut. Like so. And then we will, let's see, which way does it go? This way, I think makes sense. I will just trim off little sliver to open it up. Hopefully that was enough. Yep. And you know what? I'm not gonna worry about a thumb hole because I don't want to cut that little paper clip off. I like that, so we'll just, I was gonna cap my glue with my yeah, my stamp or my ink thingy. All right, so I think I'll do it this way. So I'm just gonna put glue here and along the bottom. And then, you know, they're not all gonna be the same, but you just wanna make like, you know, just kind of not straight, right? So just sort of catty corner, however you wanna say that. And then we'll do this one this way. So we'll make it go the other way. Like that. So it reminds me of like an Alice in Wonderland, sort of like everything is just haphazard. But then you, like I said, you can, let me grab something here. So you have the bag, right? And depending on how you glue the bag down, you might, you know, have another tuck spot. And then you have this tuck spot, and you have the bag, and then you have this tuck spot, and you have that inside as well. So that is what we're trying to achieve. So there's number one. Yay! All right, number two is here, and I'm not gonna do a whole lot except ink. Oh, I know I do need to glue this little guy. Has I don't know why, but has come undone. I've got a bunch of these. I think I got them at like Tuesday morning or something, and they've kind of fallen apart. I don't know why, but we'll just glue that down real quick, and then we can ink these up. And again, I don't have a particular project in mind for these right now, but they'll be fun to have in my stash. And these are just various paper bags that I have, you know, acquired in different places. Okay. All right. And then we'll just do the same thing, but maybe we'll go the other way. So, yeah, okay. Glue on the bottom and on this side. So you have your tuck spot and your pocket, and then this one will go this way. So glue here. And here. And I'm just gonna turn it a little more. Super cute, right? I love these. I think they're fun. And you could totally, you know, like Dee Dee is making her own with, you know, scraps and such. All right, now these are all glassine bags. So I'm going to use, this one is actually, this was probably something came in this, but I have just a plain one, and then this cute pink polka dot one, and then another small plain one. And I'm not even gonna ink these up. I'm just gonna use them the way they are, but I'm gonna use Fabri-Tac instead of the Bearly Art Glue, because it will just, let's see, I think I'm gonna go this way. All right, it holds better, I think, to the glassine material. All right, so I'm gonna do a little bit lower down just in case I decide I want to cut off the top when I actually go to use this. And then this one, let's see. I think I'm gonna cut it a little bit. This is just a tad bigger than I want it to be. There we go. And I'm not gonna worry about a thumb hole. It'll be fine. All right. There we go. Whoops. I think we're done, guys. It was quick because I cheated. I know you guys don't care, so, well, I hope you don't care anyway. All right, so we have our 3 little bag slash pockets, and they're super cute. How fun is that gonna be? We can decorate them, we can fill them up with something super cool, and it was less than 13 minutes. Yay! All right, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope that you found it inspiring. Please go check out Dee Dee's channel and her videos on this series, especially if you are creating Christmas journals. She has really pretty papers and such that she is using for her projects. And I will be back soon. Hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out, because I am super close, if not already, at 3,000 subscribers. So giveaways coming soon. All right, guys, have a fabulous day. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.